Hi Dress Your Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Starbucks S'mores Frappuccino. This drawing is inspired by a really cute chalk art that was created for Starbucks to celebrate this little s'mores cup of Frappuccino roasting some marshmallows for fall, I would assume. And it's so cute that I wanted to draw it for you as well. And hopefully I'm going to help you today to recreate this. And unfortunately, I don't know who the artist is, but whoever you are, if you see this drawing, I really want to thank you for inspiring me today. So to draw this s'mores frap, let's start by drawing a big curve right here that's sloping downwards for the lid. So I'm going to come about right here, and we're just going to go ahead and draw a slight curve coming down. And then I'm going to come right here and round it off, and round it off right here, and then go ahead and just follow the top and connect. And then we're going to draw a big dome at the top. So let's come in a little bit. And I'm just going to go ahead and create a dome nice and high. And bring it right back down. There. And I'll just come in here and lightly just draw some lines all the way across. There. And then let's draw the cup. So let's come in right here, and we're going to give it a little curve as well. So this is an animated cup, right? That's why it's super cute. So then about right here, we're going to give it some curve as well. Just say about right there, and then I'm going to go ahead and connect it. A soft curve that slightly goes upwards. There, so it just gives our cup some movement. Then from there, let's bring it to life. So in this area, really close to the edge, I'm going to come right here and draw an oval. And then we're going to come across and draw another oval right next to it. And I'll just give it a little highlight right here, just to add some bling to the eyes. There, and I'll just come in here on top and just draw a soft curve above each eye, and then of course a sweet smile right between and cap it off. There, and then let's come to the top. We're going to draw some cream, so I'm going to come up here and just wobble towards the center, and then come right back down. And then I'm going to add some little ovals here and there for some sprinkles. So I'm changing this up a little bit. There, and then we got to put in a straw, so about right here. Go ahead and add a straw. There. Okay, and so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw some of the layers for our s'mores frappuccino. So say about right here towards the bottom, I'm just going to wiggle my way across, and then one more layer right here. So some chocolate and some marshmallows, right? Okay, so then now that we have that, let's give this drink here some arms. So I'm going to come about right here, and I'm just going to draw a curve that comes out to about here, and then I'm going to thicken up a little oval and darken it up, and then about right here as well, same thing, just a little oval and darken it up. Then for the legs, let's come to say about right here, and I'm going to bring out a line, curve, and about right there we're going to draw another oval going up and darken it, and then the one in the back. So about right here, and same thing. Make it extra cute there. Okay, so now we have to have this frap here drink holding some marshmallows, right? So let's add a stick. So let's see here, let's come about right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and put in a stick right here, and then we're going to thicken it up later, but let's come add a marshmallow right in this area. So nice and round rectangle shape, and then we're going to come right here and just draw a soft curve, and one more right here. So same thing, just put a stick, the hand right here, and then one more. and a little curve. And so let's come back in here. I'm just going to thicken this up to make it look like a little branch. And let's see here, going this way. Make it look like he's holding a stick, right? Okay, so then now that we have that, we need to draw a fire. So right next to these marshmallows, let's draw a nice big fire. So let's say about right here. I'm going to start and I'm going to go up, a curve, and we're just going to draw some flames. Very simple. A curve, and then bring this out and connect, and then we'll draw a smaller flame in here. And some wood. So let's come about right here. And the oval, and then maybe one that comes out right here. Oval, and connect, and same thing here. So I really hope this inspires you to come up with your own little scenery. So sorry if I'm going too fast, but I just wanted to get this drawn in for you and just hope to inspire you. Okay, so we have the fire going, and then we have to draw a tent, right? Because he's camping. So let's come to say about right here. I'm going to just start, give myself a point, and I'm going to come down and draw 2 angles for the front of our tent. So I'll just kind of put it into this area. I'm going to come to the center right here and put in another 2 angles and then connect. So kind of connecting at an angle. And then we're going to come about right here and just slope down for a small little tent, and then we're going to come down, just following that angle, and then connect. There. And I'll just add a heart right here before I forget to make it my Draw So Cute tent, of course. And let's see, now we can go ahead and we'll draw some grass, and then we're going to give it some scenery. So let's come across. So let's say about right here, the tent's kind of angling this way, so I'll come about right here, zigzag some grass, come across, zigzag some grass again, and let's bring it through. So to about right here and connect. And then we'll come back in this area and just draw some big curves and some bushes. So here and there, just make it big and small, and then just end it there. And then of course we have to have some trees, so let's come down here, up here, and we're just gonna zigzag some very general shapes, these trees, some pine trees, to make it look like we're camping, right? So hopefully that is not too difficult in making it nice and simple. And you can even come in here and just draw some more grass. And let's see, what else are we missing? That is pretty much it. I really hope you love this drawing. And once again, thank you to the artists who inspired me with this super cute chalk drawing that they made for Starbucks. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope I helped you draw this cute drawing today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos.